The Crucial Role of Language Diversity in Global Hospitality Success, published on March 4, 2024. As the hospitality industry increasingly caters to a diverse international client, language diversity has become essential for success. This report explores how multilingualism strengthens hospitality operations, foster teamwork, and elevate guest satisfaction, positioning language diversity as a foundational component of operational excellence and market competitiveness. Objectives: emphasize the importance of language diversity. Show how multilingualism strengthens collaboration, problem solving, and service quality in the hospitality industry. Next one is highlight operational benefits. Demonstrate how multilingual staff and technology reduce communication errors and enhancing overall efficiency. So the last one is showcase competitive advantage. Illustrate how language inclusivity attracts international guests, giving hotel an edge in the global market. Language diversity is no longer optional for globally minded hospitality brands. It is a necessity. Hotels that embrace language inclusivity demonstrate cultural awareness, operational strength, and a commitment to exceptional guest experiences, all key drivers of success in the global market. As the hospitality industry continues to expand globally, success will depend on creating experiences that are both universally welcoming and locally personalized.
Thank you for watching.